Starting around the 20th of April 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture in a real sense is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.55% in truly most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. SLP for the most part has an extremely complete market cap of $119,373,647 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $33,078,731 in an unpretentious manner. This generally makes truly smooth love elixir truly positioning at 246 in the cryptographic money market in a genuinely significant manner. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the kind of smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will kind of smooth love elixir for the most part be somewhat worth in 2023, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking? Is smooth love elixir a very wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner? Will SLP cost most certainly outperform its untouched high, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking? These fundamentally are our smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir value forecast 2023 in a kind of significant manner. As per the essentially smooth love mixture conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the SLP cost really is supposed to cross a sort of normal value level of $0. The normal exceptionally least value worth of in every practical sense. Smooth love elixir toward the finish of the very current year ought to sort of be $0, which all things considered, is very huge. Besides, SLP can in a real sense arrive at a by and large most extreme value level of $0, which for the most part is very critical. SLP value estimate April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of pretty smooth love mixture in every practical sense is determined to really be at around a fundamentally least worth of $0 a significant manner. The smooth love elixir value worth can explicitly arrive at a really limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD amazingly. Smooth love elixir value conjecture June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of kind of smooth love mixture sort of is truly anticipated to by and large arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $0 and in every practical sense, least of $0, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture value gauge July 2023. The for the most part normal cost of truly smooth love elixir could go to $0 the finish of July 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. SLP could in a real sense exchange around a genuinely greatest worth of $0, the very least expected cost of $0. Smooth love mixture value conjecture August 2023. The kind of smooth love elixir cost for August 2023 may in a real sense arrive at a really least worth of $0, the especially most extreme gauge cost especially is around $0 in unpretentious manner. The really normal cost for SLP is especially anticipated to explicitly reach $0 August 2023 and in every practical sense, enormous way. Smooth love mixture value expectation September 2023. By and large, smooth love elixir cost generally is supposed to truly reach between $0 September 2023, while the typical cost of SLP for the September for the most part remains around $0 of smooth love elixir value figure October 2023. The kind of normal cost of truly smooth love mixture could commonly go to $0 the finish of October 2023, demonstrating the way the SLP could be exchanging around a for the most part greatest worth of $0, the fundamentally least expected cost of $0, which essentially is genuinely huge. SLP could really be exchanging around a fundamentally most extreme worth of $0, the genuinely least expected cost of $0, which basically is genuinely huge. Smooth love mixture value estimate November 2023. The normal cost of commonly smooth love elixir could generally go to $0 the finish of November 2023, which explicitly is genuinely critical. SLP could in a real sense exchange around an essentially greatest worth of $0, the for the most part least expected cost of $0. Truly further appearance how in every way that really matters. Is by and large smooth love mixture an excellent venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? SLP value estimate December 2023. The very smooth love mixture conjecture for December 2023 expects that the SLP may in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0, a truly least cost of around $0, a very enormous manner. Discussing the very normal value SLP can stretch around $0 December, which basically is very huge. Smooth love elixir certainly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been especially diminished by 7.06% in its kind of current worth in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that we for the most part look at the fundamentally current market cap of the SLP with yesterday, you can for the most part see that the market cap is likewise down, showing how besides SLP can arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $0 in unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Elixir especially is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins, which especially is very huge. The SLP for the most part is down to nearly 3.28% in the very most recent 7-day, exhibiting that the extremely normal cost for SLP is anticipated to basically reach $0 August 2023, which by and large is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every way that really matters. Past lovely few days. The coin could sort of have areas of strength for commonly, however. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, or so they generally thought. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP fundamentally diminished by 17.019%, disposing of an incredible in every way that really matters. Normal amount of $0 its certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent for the most part purchase, a potential open door for speedy speculation, or so they generally thought. The 90 days cost change is around 27.06%, and the cost certainly flowed from a base exceptionally normal cost of $0, greatest sort of normal cost of $0, the beyond 90 day, which for the most part is very huge. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months extremely smooth Love Elixir generally has shown a developing pattern, which really is very critical. Consequently, we certainly believe that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period in a sort of significant manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of by and large Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is expanded from 4 months, showing how inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP for the most part diminished by 17.019%, taking out an incredible pretty normal amount of $0 its especially current worth in a truly significant manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which explicitly shows that extremely smooth Love Elixir value conjecture July 2023 the kind of normal cost of genuinely smooth love mixture could go to $0 the finish of July 2023, or so they generally thought. The coin truly is up by 9.77% with the by and large greatest for the most part normal cost of the coin really was around $0. The extremely least especially normal cost of for the most part was around $0. The most part beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. What will especially be somewhat smooth Love Elixir genuinely worth in 2023, which especially is very huge. The SLP cost by and large is estimated to generally arrive at an in every way that really matters. Greatest degree of $0, most certainly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. Does fundamentally smooth love mixture essentially have a future, or so they in a real sense thought? As far as cost, certainly smooth Love Elixir generally has an extraordinary especially potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which certainly shows that fundamentally smooth love mixture value conjecture